my unbelievable V family all over the world. This is your gorgeous chief with a new hairdo, with a new Bathing Ape t-shirt, which I love so much. All right, guys, welcome to week 20. I hope all of you enjoyed my Instagram live where I spoke about what to do if you lose momentum. And I'm telling you guys, this week 20, I truly have a feeling in my heart that you guys are going to rise, all right, to an unbelievable level. And I've been speaking a lot once again to the one and only Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And he believes, and he was sharing with me his wisdom, all right, that this year, 2021, is a year that belongs to network marketing. It's a year that belongs to Qnet. And I want you guys to recognize the fact that this year is the greatest opportunity for you guys to build your organization. Big, strong, powerful, max out, all right? Maximize the potential of this industry called network marketing. Because think about it, all right? Where people fail to see the reality is that this pandemic is something that is not going to go away just like that. It's going to be around. Vaccinations are barely catching up with the world, guys. 7 billion over people. Are you kidding? There is no capacity to manufacture vaccines for years to come. All right? But the fact of the matter is, people need to survive. People need to embrace entrepreneurship because traditional employment, the philosophy, the sense of security of traditional employment is gone completely. Job security is a joke today. That people have recognized the fact that the only way they can survive in this pandemic environment or this world today as it is by embracing entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurship must be in the form of e-commerce because brick and mortar, opening a shop, opening a restaurant, opening any traditional retail platform physically is the most moronic thing to do because there's lockdowns, shutdowns, nobody's going to walk out of their house to go to your store to buy anything. But the world of e-commerce is growing. The Amazons, the Flipkarts, the Lazadas, the Alibabas are rocking. But those are pure retail platforms, e-commerce. What we are offering the world is a retail e-commerce platform merged with entrepreneurship. That today Qnet has broken records, guys, on people maxing out around the world, people earning checks, people embracing and loving our concept. Like I told you, today, network marketing, Qnet, is no longer a choice that you offer a prospect. It is a necessity. People need us. People need this. That means you cannot sit at home and hold hands and sing Kumbaya. You got to go out there. You got to scream. You got to shout. You got to hunt your prospects down. You got to be on the phone permanently. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp video calls. Reaching out to people. That means the level of aggressiveness, the level of passion, the level of focus that is required in your organization must be at the highest level today, guys. And those of you all who are watching, who are brand new, who just signed up, and you heard about this gorgeous Malaysian, the one and only Chief Patnan Senati Raja, guys, this message is for you. The fact that you joined Qnet, congratulations. The fact that you started your journey, congratulations. But you need to wake up and realize that the remaining, 7 months of 2021 is the best 7 months for you to build. So get out there, all right? Get crazy and build your organization. As Dato Sri Vijay told me on that amazing conversation we had this week, that this is our year, Batman. This is the year people truly understand the power of network marketing and the power of e-commerce network marketing, where Qnet is hands down #1 in the world. Right? Now, with all this amazingness of what we have, don't hold it in your hand and look at it every day and say, wow, what a great opportunity. Wow, I love e-commerce network marketing. And you're holding it like a bird in your hand. Don't be a moron. Open up your hands. Let it fly. Right now you should cross borders. Build every market possibly, humanly possible, guys. Alright? You should be working 100 times harder than you ever worked before. If ever there is a time you raise the bar higher, it is now. And after listening to Dato Sri Vijay, I am crazy. I am sending more messages, making more videos, maximizing my social media presence, because I want the world to know that there's hope with this great organization called Qnet, the V. Alright, guys? And it comes back to the fact that my fear is that with the timing so right, this is like the perfect timing. I don't feel enough hunger on the ground. I don't hear enough craziness on the ground. I don't hear and feel enough passion from the organizations around the world. And I was trying to understand why. And I called Dato Sri Vijay and asked him for advice. Why, on the best time of our lives to build this amazing business, why is there not enough noise, Dato Sri, from the world? And he said, Padman, are you sure your leaders are still hungry? And I remember Sati doing this module many weekends ago where he talked about staying hungry and being angry. And let me tell you right now, the greatest danger that you will face if you have been building for 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and the greatest danger that you will see in a few months if you are brand new, is when the hunger you have right now slowly vanishes in you. Because you see, this journey of network marketing, the aggressiveness, the passion comes from your hunger, what you want to achieve. And the danger is when people suddenly realize, I don't want anything else. Because when they started, you had a dream list. And the brand new guys, you have a dream list, and your dream list is beautiful. House, car, Rolex watch, whatever you want. Now the problem is, when you start achieving those dreams, you fall into a false belief that you have made it. That you stop being hungry, guys. Now think about it. Alright? When you have eaten to the fullness of your tummy, and you go to a restaurant, are you excited? When you go to a buffet, do you go crazy? No, but you haven't eaten for 3 days. And then you go to a buffet, everything, people think you are crazy. You're running around, filling up the plate, going crazy. I love this. And that's the danger of network marketing. When people achieve their first goals, their first dreams. Right? Dave Advani always talks about make sure your fish tank keeps growing and growing and growing. And I firmly believe in that. And I keep myself hungry every day. I engage and seek guidance from Dato Sri Vijay how to keep myself hungry. Because if your chief, your upline is not hungry, you are going to fall into a comfort zone. Because ultimately, guys, you need to remain hungry. You got to dream bigger and bigger every time. If you wanted to buy a Mercedes, when are you going to buy your Ferrari? If you wanted a new house, when are you aiming for a new mansion? This is the best time where money talks and bull sugar walks. That you can buy anything today if you have millions of dollars. Because people are desperate. They're selling mansions 50% off. Alright? I'm buying things like a maniac. I'm now a shopaholic for real estate, for luxury. This is our time. But you need to remain hungry. That when I look at my first dream list, it's gone. And I was blessed because Dato Sri Vijay told me to create a new dream list. And a new one. And a new one. And a new one. And you never stop. Because the minute you think you have made it in life, your organization dies. The minute you stop feeling hungry for bigger dreams, bigger achievements, your organization dies. And I tell all the leaders, all the V partners, AVPs, V councils, as Dato Sri Vijay has told me for 23 years, Padman, stay hungry, always. Because you cannot follow somebody who's not hungry, because that person is stagnant and not moving anywhere. So I realized today, this is the best year in 23 years. 2021 is the best year to build Qnet. It is our time to shine. And I am thinking in the month of May, after 5 months, I'm not hearing enough noise, which simply means that many leaders, many networkers are not hungry enough. That you think this is enough. This is not enough. It is never enough. Because the potential of the business, the potential, your potential is limitless. So this week, week 20, reawaken your hunger. Take out a piece of paper right now, wherever you are in the world. Take your dream list and rewrite it again with an affirmation, with a hunger for more, for something better, so that you can rise as the benchmark for your organization, that you can truly become an inspiration for the world, guys. I want you to dream bigger. I want you to forget the fish tank and get a fish pond and build the biggest pond ever possible. Because this business is about dreamers. And the day you stop dreaming, you die. And if the dream is big enough, the facts don't count. But what you need to realize today, as Dato Sri Vijay told me 23 years ago, Padman, never stop dreaming, and make sure your dream grows bigger and bigger and bigger, because the bigger your dream, the bigger your organization. The bigger your dream, the more lives you change. The bigger your dream, the bigger a warrior you become, because you're fighting for something bigger. So today, on this Wednesday message, rewrite your dream list. Alright, rewrite it, guys. Basic building block number 1, dream and list. Take out a piece of paper, take out your dream list with no limitations, that this is the greatest year for you to dream as big as ever. And write down what you really want. Write down, take your hunger and put it on a piece of paper. And do whatever it takes. Go as crazy as you can. Forget all your excuses. Forget all the bloody challenges and negativity out there. And do whatever it takes to make that dream list a reality. And I want you to write your dreams again. Listen to Latika. Search in your heart. Remember that the potential of this business, your potential is limitless. And write down what you really, really want. And then make the decision to start today to pay whatever price, do whatever it takes, go as crazy as you can, and make sure everyone knows that even as a brand new networker or as a leader, you are hungry. You are still hungry. You are still hungry. And your dreams are bigger and bigger every single day, guys. I love you guys. This is our time to shine.